Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mohita and I am here to help you to learn digital marketing. I am doing digital marketing for 5 plus years. I helped 12 plus e-commerce company to set up their digital marketing process and activities. Apart from that, I also do paid consulting and training. Digital marketing is all about driving more customers. In fact, it is the easiest way to build any product and service. Nowadays, more and more companies are using digital marketing techniques to acquire new customers. After learning digital marketing, you can easily get a job or you can do freelancing work for extra money. Having a knowledge of digital marketing is a very advantage for nowadays because by learning digital marketing, you can start your own business, own e-commerce business, own service business, or any kind of business.
Let's check how many jobs for digital marketing skill in India. Let's search our keyword. Now you can see we have 10,000 plus jobs in India, and this is the highest pay job in India. By using this skill, you can easily get a job, you can do freelancing work, you can do consulting work, and you can even create your parallel source of income. So for that, all you need to do just start practicing digital marketing skills.
Well, you don't need any special qualification or degree to learn digital marketing. No technical background needed. All you just need one laptop or computer and internet. Even a student can start digital marketing. So guys, please subscribe my channel to start your career in digital marketing. I'm going to cover all the topics of digital marketing in my upcoming videos.